Hi friends, in this video, I'm gonna make a basket for my mini vegetables. While I'm making it, let me tell you my friend's story. And let me know what you think about it in the comments. Also like and subscribe please. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 31. When I was 25, I met someone at university. After knowing each other for 6 years, he finally proposed to me, but we had one problem. His mom, in the few times I met her, she seems to not like me at all, and what made it more clear is when he told her about us getting married. She refused to even consider me. We tried so many ways to make things work, like meeting her more, getting her gifts, talking to her about things she likes, and more. After a lot of effort and time, she finally accepted us getting married, even though she didn't seem happy, but it was enough for us. We had our engagement party and everything was going well. After a few months, we started planning for the wedding, and now my marriage is in 3 weeks. And here where the problem starts. On that day, I had an argument with my fiancé about some wedding details. I was annoyed, so I called my sister who lives abroad to talk to her about what upset me. First, I told her about the argument we had, then I started talking to her about my mother-in-law. I was saying how I feel about her, and the way she talks to me and treats me and acts with me. And to be honest, I even told my sister about some secrets my husband told me about his mom. We were in the call for so long. We were immersed in talking, till I heard someone saying, "Okay, now you gonna see." And it wasn't my sister's voice. I checked my phone, and I saw that my mother-in-law was part of the call. I was shocked and I couldn't understand what was happening. After checking what happened, I realized that I accidentally added my mother-in-law to our call. And she was listening in for more than 30 minutes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe please.
Later, my mother-in-law called me and she was shouting and cursing at me. She also told my fiancé about everything, and she even recorded some of the call. Now, my mother-in-law is refusing us getting married, and she told her son that he will never see her or his siblings if he ended up marrying me. Now, my fiancé is upset at me. He told me everything is over. I tried to call him many times after that, but he didn't pick up my calls. I really ruined my wedding by my hand. Now I don't know what I should do or how I can fix it.
Well, what do you think she should do? It's so complicated. And I will let you updated if there is any news. Back to the basket. After mixing the beige, brown, and white clay, I made many straps of polymer clay. Then, I shaped it into a big plus sign. Then all I had to do was join the edges. It wasn't easy to make like it looks, woof. And now it's ready.